Rainforests cover about 6% of the Earth's land surface. In Central American rainforests, rival strawberry poison dart frogs might wrestle for up to 20 minutes. It can take 10 minutes for a falling raindrop to travel from a rainforest's thick canopy to the floor. A tree known as the idiot fruit grows in Australia's Daintree rainforest. The rhinoceros hornbill bird from Southeast Asian rainforests has a horn-like structure on its head that looks like an extra beak. Rainforests get at least 250 centimeters of rain a year. Sometimes it's almost double that at 450 centimeters. The Amazon rainforest in South America is so big that if it were a country, it would be the 9th biggest in the world. Latin American forests are home to black howler monkeys, whose calls can be heard almost 5 kilometers away. Veiled stinkhorn fungi, found in tropical rainforests, smell like rotting food. The Korowai people of New Guinea live in tree houses as high as 45 meters off the ground. A quarter of ingredients in modern medicines come from rainforest plants. % of the flowers in the Australian rainforests are not found anywhere else in the world. Living in Central American rainforests, a sloth can carry algae, beetles and cockroaches in its fur. Some pine trees in Tasmania's temperate rainforests can live for 2,000 years. A lake inside a rainforest on the Caribbean island of Dominica sizzles at around 88 degrees Celsius.